Hi everyone, I'm Jeff. Welcome back to my Chinese class. Today we are going to talk about English and Chinese. And we will have a comparison between English and Chinese. I have a question here. Which one is easier for us to learn, Chinese or English? Let's go and see. First, let's see the syllables. The Chinese alphabet consists of 405 syllables that use tonal differences to make up some 1,277 building blocks. We can see one part of the rows and the blocks. I will give you the picture, you can see it. Okay, do you see the picture? I pick up some syllables for examples. Let's see. Buy. Buy, buy, buy. Okay, just like the English words, buy, by, buy. And next one is bow, bow, b-a-o, bow, bow. Just like English words, bow, b-o-w, bow. Okay, that's the way I will teach you how to pronounce the pinyin, and you can easily remember that, right? Okay, by the way, other 5 parts of the Chinese alphabet I will give you later. Okay, let's go on. By comparison, English has much more building blocks. English uses 26 letters and 44 basic sounds to create several thousand building blocks. Okay, I will not give you the examples because you master it. Okay, you learn it from a child. So I will have no more word here. The second one is grammar. Chinese is also grammatically simpler than English. The sentence order of Chinese is same as that of English. Number 1. The subject, verb, and article. Adjectives come before nouns, just as they do in English. Number 2. There is no verb conjugations in Chinese, no articles, the, an, or an, and no plurals. For example, to make the Chinese word for I, you, he, she, and it plural, you just add the suffix men to them. Men, men, men. Let's go on. I means 我, 我, 我. And if we want to make it a plural, we just put a men after it. We say 我们, 我们. 我们 means we, we. Okay, as the same, he, 他 in Chinese is 他. If we make it a plural, we just put 们 after 他. 他们, 他们. 他们 means they. Have you got it? It's very easy, very simple, right? More examples for verb conjugations. The first one is 是. 是, 是 is verb be, okay, which express an, is, are, were, and words. In all conjugations, we just use 是. Okay. Another one is 来. 来. 来 means come. Come here, come over here, right? Which means, which can express is come, comes, or came. Okay. We just use 来 for all conjugations. It's very simple. Okay. Have you got it? We will learn it in the next following days and lessons. You can master it then. Some more of other rules will be taught when they were referred to. I think it's a good solution, good method for you to master all the rules. Up to now, could you answer this question above? Which one is easier, Chinese or English? By the way, I suggest that rather than trying to remember all the rules individually, it is better to simply use them as they appeared in the basic sentences in our courses. Then you will learn them quickly, master them efficiently, and use them naturally. Right? Do you agree? That's all for today. Thank you for listening, and you can share your ideas in the comment areas. Okay? That's welcome. I'm Jeff. See you next time. Bye bye.